Receivership clause. A receivership clause, you see it in a mortgage where you bought a duplex, a triplex, a quadruplex, an apartment complex, a shopping center. And this protects the lender in the event of a foreclosure. As you know, foreclosure takes time. It's a lawsuit. It could take, I don't know, 6 months, 10 months, depending on the attorneys that are negotiating the deal back and forth. But what happens? There's still tenants there. The tenants are obligated to continue to pay the rent. And if they don't pay the rent, the owner can't evict them. And I know it sounds unfair, but that's the way it is because the owner still owns the property. So the receivership clause, what it does is brings a management company or it brings a law firm or a CPA company in place to manage the rents. Say, hey, we're not going to be collecting the rents. So this way you have the continuity of the business going forward. They could pay the electricity, they could pay the water, they could pay the taxes, they could pay the insurance. Something breaks, they can go and handle the business. And it moves the borrower out of the way. And this protects the lender. It actually protects the tenants as well. For more tips and tricks, please visit my website. And if you're interested in a one-on-one tutoring session for the state test, whether it's sales or broker, kindly pick a date and time, and I'll be more than happy to help you. Until next time.